Hello everyone, I'm Honey from Axis Language School. Today I'm gonna teach you something called helping verbs. I'm sure you all know what the verb is. So what is the helping verb? A helping verb is a word that comes before a verb and tells you more about that action. Then let me give you an example. She is looking for her specs. Now we all know that the verb is here looking, and the word is that tell you that the action is being done now. So is a helping verb. Let me give you one more example. I may go the office tomorrow. So go is a verb. We all know that, right? Now which is the word that tell you that I am going to do? It is the future. The word may, I'm right? The may is the helping verb. So we have helping verbs like am, is, are, would, could, be, been, do, does, did. So it is important that you know what the helping verbs are. So it is also tells you when the action is being done. I'm sure all understood the concept of the helping verb and you are ready to take on your vocabulary and your grammar.